Hi, this is a walkthrough of the MyMaths video 265 on perimeter. I'm recording the screen, so it's slightly different to how I normally do. I normally do with a pen and paper. I'm recording the screen because this one involves using some of the gadgets on MyMaths. So if I try to get this right, measure the edge of each ruler with the each shape with a ruler, work out the perimeter. So I've got this ruler here, and I've got to be able to move it around. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is measure the bottom one. So I take the ruler and I put it at the bottom here. So I line up the 0 at the start, and looking across, it goes 3, 3.1, looks like 3.2, going all the way across this perimeter. So I'm going to put 3.2 here, 3.2. It doesn't matter where I put these ones, this is just your working out thing. Next thing I'm going to do is rotate it. Now to do that, I just grab all of this bit and I just spin it round. Now when I rotate it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it parallel to the side, and then I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to move it so that the 0 is at the start of the line. So that is at the start of the line. So it goes 1, 2, 3.1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to say that's 3.4. 0.4, and then I rotate it around again so I can pick it up, pick the roller, oops, stop it, I can pick the roller up, put it up here somewhere, and then I can spin it around so it's parallel. So now it's parallel, now I can pick it up and put it in place, and that looks to me to be about 3.4 again. So 3.1, 2, 3, 3.4 looks about right to me, so I'm going to put 3.4 in there. Then the perimeter is just adding all these three things up. So I've got 3, 6, 9. That adds up to exactly 10. So I'm going to put in here just 10 centimeters, and hopefully it's going to have maybe some margin of error when we do this thing. We'll reset that one, and I'll start with this shape. So in this shape, let's do the same thing. So we start at here, rotate the rule around. Oops, come on, rotate around. Seems to be struggling to rotate here. So it's about there to be parallel, and then move it so that it is in line with the starting point. So it's maybe in line with the starting point there, and I can see that looks to me like it's going to be 4 centimeters long. Rotate it around a little bit more, so I'm going to rotate the other way around this time. Rotate it, and then just grab it, and then rotate it again so it's parallel. So that is about parallel, about there. Oh, and line it up so I don't forget to line up. And again, that looks to me to be about 4 again, so I'm going to put 4 for that one. Now I'm going to make it flat, so there's about flat. Put on the beginning of the point, measure the line, that looks like 2.5 to me, so 2.5. And then the top one, which is flat as well, so I don't have to do anything this time, looks about 1.1, so I'm going 1.1 there. Okay, just double check that one. So starting point goes to there's 1, there's 1.1. Add them up for 8, 10, 11.6. 11.6. Now let's see if this have been okay. Mark it. Yep, they look alright, so 4 to 4 for that particular question. The rest of it you don't need the ruler for. It's this one. The thing to note on here is this word regular, and that means all these sides have got to be the same. So the perimeter is just add them all up. So you've got 2 there, that's another 2, that's 4, another 2, 6, another 2, 8, another 2, 10, and another 2 is going to be 12. So you've got 12 to go all the way around that one. The perimeter of a rectangle, so this is interesting, 36. You've got to know that this is 10 and this is 10, this to the sides are 10, so you've got 20 for the two sides. We know all the way around is 36, so that means I need these two to be 16. We know both sides of the rectangle are going to be the same, so I need a half 16, and I get 8 for this side, and it's going to be 8 on the other side. And then you've got 8, 8 is 16, 10, 10 is 20, 20 and 16 is 36. Perimeter of this one, we've got 8 and a 5 is 13, and then another 8, so that's 21, and another 5 is 26. And you can use your calculator for doing that one. If you're not happy with just the adding up, just go 8, 5, another 8, another 5. Remember, you've got to go all the way around for the perimeter. An equilateral triangle means all these sides are exactly the same, so I've got 3 sides that are all the same, and they've got to add up to 33. So if I do 33 divided by 3, and I can use the calculator again, I'll realise that this has got to be 11, 11, and another 11 to get to 33. So that one's going to be 11. Press mark it. Hopefully they're alright. Yep, and see the summary, and then we're good to go with the video because we got alright. Right. That's it, folks. That's 265 perimeter. I think the tricky one was this one, and that's just moving of this bit around. You just click on the anywhere between the numbers, you can drag it around. This one makes it spin, and you don't really need these, so these just make the roll a longer or shorter, however you want to set it. Remember, it doesn't matter what you put up here. You have to be quite accurate when you're doing it though. This is just to keep track of the sides. That's it. Bye now.